Hi, I'm Blake Alexander, and this is my Mod 1 for AEP 800. A little bit about me. I'm 31 years old. I've been married for 3 years. I have a 5-month-old son named Brooks, and I graduated from Kansas State University in 2011 with an elementary education degree. For work, I work for Topeka Public Schools, USD 501 in Topeka, Kansas. We are a large school district. This is my 7th year teaching. I did 3 years teaching 4th grade, and then for the last 4 years I've been teaching physical education here at State Street. At State Street I teach grades kindergarten through 5th. I am also the defensive coordinator at Topeka High School and an assistant track coach at Topeka High School. Technology. I think technology is a really important thing to use in the classroom. It's a great way to engage students. It also reaches a lot of different learning styles. Some kids are going to learn a lot better with one type of technology. Some kids are going to learn a lot better with another. It also teaches lifelong skills. You know that students that move on from my elementary school are going to go into high school and use these skills. They're going to go out into the workforce and use these skills along with all the other new technology skills that are going to come about as they get older. And also, when it's used in the right way, it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy assignments like this, using technology, using slides, being creative, a lot more than just your standard writing a report. And I think that a lot of students think the same way. Technology that I use in PE, we use a computer and a projector quite a bit. We use sites like YouTube and the Jump Rope for Heart site. We show videos, for dancing, for yoga, and things like that. We also use an Xbox Connect, and we once in a while. It's just a way that students, can dance and move and have fun and use technology in that way. And then we also use, Google Sheets and Drives and slides and everything at my school to share information with all of our colleagues. A critique of my technology. I could definitely use more technology. I know that in PE we're a little bit more limited and probably aren't going to use it quite as much as people do in the classroom. But I think that, here in our PE department we need to do a better job of taking advantage of the technology that we have here. We do have iPads. Everyone can get an iPad in our PE class that we could keep records on and things like that. And we're also currently looking for ways to get more funding so that we can have more technology, more specific for PE. Funding has been a really hard thing in my school. We get about $500 a year, which is usually just enough to replace some things that get broken here or get misplaced. And with more funding, I would like to get things like heart rate monitors, step counters, health trackers, ways that students can keep track of their health and fitness. And we can also collect that data to keep and track it over time to see how they're improving. And they can also watch that, and it can become important and more personable to them. My plan to improve my practices is to first become more knowledgeable, doing things like taking this class and all the other classes through online learning. I feel like I've learned a lot already just in the few classes that I've taken since starting my master's. And also talking to other colleagues, talking to the other elementary PE teachers in my district about what they do to incorporate technology and things like that. Funding and grants are something we're working on right now to try to get the money to be able to include things like heart rate monitors and step counters and all those things. And also, my plan is to try to use more of the technology in our school that's available to us to use. I feel like that's one of the things that I need to make sure I'm doing more. And that is my presentation. Thank you for watching.